In this video, I'll show you how you can easily turn on saving your videos on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app, and if you hit at that share icon at any video, right here towards the bottom of the screen you can find that save video feature, so I can tap on it to save that video to my camera roll. And if you want to turn on this feature on your videos, you should navigate to your profile, then hit add three lines icon and select settings and privacy. Then get into privacy and then scroll down until you find downloads. Tap on it, and if you want to allow other people to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms, just enable that feature, which is called video downloads. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.